Hello my dear kids, I hope you all are fit and healthy at your places. Stay home, stay safe. This is your English teacher Himani Joshi, and today also we are going to study about adjectives. In a previous video also we have learned what are adjectives. Okay, what are adjectives? A-D-J-E-C-T-I-V-E. Adjectives are the words which tell us something about the nouns. So what we have studied? That adjectives are the words which tell something about the nouns and give additional information about the nouns. This much we have covered in our last video with lots of examples. We have learned that what are adjectives, like in term of quality, quantity, number, size. Okay, so today we are going to study about degrees of comparison. Okay, today we are going to study about degrees of comparison. D-E-G-R-E-E-S, degrees of comparison. Our today's topic is degrees of comparison. The adjectives change their degrees to show the comparison. Okay, and that is called comparative degree. First of all, let us learn what is a degree. Okay, degree means level. Degree means level. Okay, if someone says that you might have heard someone saying that today's temperature, okay, today's temperature is 42 degree and yesterday's temperature was 43 degree. Okay, so here also we are using degree. Okay, level. Okay, so yesterday's temperature was more than today's temperature. So what we have used here? Degree. Okay, level. We have got to know here that yesterday was more temperature than it is today. Okay, so level, the main thing is level. Okay, so degrees help us to upgrade the level of something. Like you can see the example, he is a good boy. Positive statement that he is a good boy. Okay, here we are telling something about the boy, that the quality of boy, that he is good. Okay, so in this sentence we are simply giving our opinion. Okay, so this is the positive sentence. Okay, here we have used positive degree, good. Okay, in the next sentence, he is better than his brother. He is better than his brother. In this sentence we have increased the level. Okay, we have increased the level, and now here we have said that the boy, this boy is better than his brother. हमने क्या किया? हमने better का word का use किया और हमने उसका level जो है अपग्रेड कर दिया, इंक्रीज कर दिया. कैसे इंक्रीज कर दिया? अभी तक तो क्या था? बस अच्छा था. अब क्या हुआ? वो अपने भाई से भी अच्छा हो गया. ओके, तो हमने एक तो हमने इसे क्या किया? उसका लेवल इंक्रीज कर दिया, प्लस हमने क्या किया? इस पर्सन का अपने भाई से कंपैरिजन किया. ओके, बेटर देन. सो व्हेनेवर वी डू कंपैरिजन वी यूज देन. ओके, सो विद द वर्ड गुड वी हैव given a statement. With this word better we have upgraded the level. At the same time we have done comparison of the boy, of that particular boy with his brother. Now come to the third sentence. He is the best. Okay, now here we have said that that particular boy is best. So हमने अब यहाँ पर क्या किया? We have compared that particular boy with everyone. अब हमने क्या किया? इसका लेवल भी जो है बिल्कुल हाई कर दिया कि जो अब जो बॉय है वो सबसे अच्छा है. ठीक है, यहाँ पे हमने कंपैरिजन किया और उसे सबसे अच्छा बता दिया. ठीक है, सबसे सुपीरियर बताया. ठीक है, सुपीरियर ऑफ ऑल. सो हमने यहाँ पे क्या किया, हमने बेस्ट का यूज किया. सो यू कैन ऑब्जर्व वी हैव यूज्ड गुड, बेटर, बेस्ट, एंड दीज थ्री आर adjectives. These three are adjectives and these three are showing the degree of adjectives. Okay, the degree of adjectives. At first we have said good boy. Okay, अच्छा लड़का. ठीक है, अच्छा, he is a good boy. वह एक बहुत अच्छा लड़का है. तो हमने यहाँ पे एक बस सिंपल स्टेटमेंट पास की कि वो अच्छा लड़का है. ठीक है, अब सेकेंड सेंटेंस में हमने क्या किया, उसका कंपैरिजन उसके ब्रदर से किया कि वह उससे भी अच्छा है. ठीक है, और हमने एट द सेम टाइम वी हैव इंक्रीज दी लेवल ऑफ दैट बॉय. ठीक है, अब हमने क्या किया, उसका लेवल बिल्कुल हाई करके उसे सबसे अच्छा बता दिया, बेस्ट. ओके, एंड बेस्ट जब हमने बताया तो उसे क्या किया, हमने सबसे सुपीरियर बताया. ओके, सबसे सुपीरियर, हाईएस्ट क्वालिटी. ओके, हाईएस्ट ऑफ द क्वालिटी हमने बिल्कुल एक्सटेंड कर दिया. ठीक है ना, लेवल ऑफ एक्सटेंड पे पहुंचा दिया. लेवल ऑफ एक्सटेंड मीन्स उसका लेवल बिल्कुल बहुत ज्यादा बढ़ा दिया. ठीक है, तो लेवल ऑफ एक्सटेंड जो होता है डिग्री में डिसाइड होता है. डिग्रीज ऑफ कंपैरिजन मीन्स लेवल ऑफ एक्सटेंड. फर्स्ट हमने क्या किया, बस उसके बारे में एक स्टेटमेंट पास की. अब उसका लेवल ऑफ एक्सटेंड कहाँ पहुंचाया कि हमने उसको उसके भाई से कंपेयर किया और थोड़ा और अच्छा बता दिया. अब हमने क्या किया, ही इज द बेस्ट. हमने अब सबसे ही अच्छा उसे बता दिया, सबसे सुपीरियर बताया. तो हमने यहाँ पे क्या किया, हमने बस एक सिंपल पॉजिटिव सेंटेंस बोला. नेक्स्ट इज बेटर. तो हमने क्या किया, यहाँ पे गुड का, ऑल दीज आर एडजेक्टिव्स. तो गुड का एडजेक्टिव हमने यहाँ पे बेटर लिखा. तो यहाँ पे क्या किया, हमने कंपैरिजन किया. ओके, और देन भी यूज किया. तो हमने यहाँ पे कंपैरेटिव डिग्री यूज किया. जहां पर भी हम कंपैरिजन करते हैं, wherever we do comparison of two things or persons, we use comparative degree. And the third is when we want to say the highest quality. Okay, when positive into comparative and superlative degree, like kind. Okay, kind we use for showing the quality. ओके, क्वालिटी शो करने के लिए हम क्या यूज करते हैं, काइंड यूज करते हैं. लाइक काइंड मैन. सो हाउ इज द मैन, व्हाट काइंड ऑफ मैन, काइंड मैन. ओके, सो हमने मैन की क्वालिटी किससे दिखाई, काइंड से दिखाई. तो जो भी क्वालिटी दिखाते हैं और मैन के बारे में एडिशनल इंफॉर्मेशन मिली हमें. वी हैव गॉट द एडिशनल इंफॉर्मेशन अबाउट द मैन दैट ही इज काइंड. सो जब हमें नाउन की क्वालिटी पता चलती है, व्हेन वी गेट टू नो समथिंग मोर अबाउट द नाउन, और वी गेट क्वालिटी और क्वांटिटी एंड नंबर, सो दैट इज द एडजेक्टिव. ओके, सो काइंड इज द एडजेक्टिव. सो द फर्स्ट वे ऑफ कन्वर्टिंग पॉजिटिव डिग्री इनटू कंपैरेटिव एंड सुपरलेटिव डिग्री. द फर्स्ट वे is we change positive degree into comparative degree and superlative degree by adding er in the comparative degree and est in the superlative degree. Okay, let us learn with one more example the second way. Okay, hot, like hot milk. So hot gives us additional information. Okay, so hot में यहाँ पे किसकी information मिली, किसकी information दी, milk की, and milk is a noun. Okay, so we have got to know that the milk is hot. Okay, so हमें quality पता चली. So it is an adjective. Okay, so hot, hotter, hottest. Sometimes to change positive into comparative and imperative, we write the last letter twice and then we make it comparative and superlative degree as usual by adding er and est. Okay, but first we should write the last letter twice, like hot, hotter, hottest. Now the third way of converting positive into comparative degree and superlative degree is by adding more and most. I'll give you one example. beautiful, beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. Sometimes we add more and most before the adjectives to make them comparative and superlative degree. Okay, these are the three types, and one exception is also there, exceptional case, that we will discuss later. First, dear kids, before moving further, let me tell you about the syllable. Okay, syllable decides where we will use ER and EST and where we will use more and most to make the positive degrees into comparative and superlative degrees. Okay, so what is a syllable? Okay, a word has 1, 2, 3 and maybe 8 or more parts, depends upon its size. Okay, depending on how big the word is. So every part of a word is a syllable. Okay, एक वर्ड के जितने भी पार्ट्स होंगे उस वर्ड में उतने syllables होंगे. Alright, so let us practice one simplest exercise to find out syllables. You all know my name. What's my name? Himani. So this is the simplest trick. You have to put your hand under your chin like this and pronounce my name, Himani. Okay, so I am so sure that the word Himani contains 3 syllables. Why I am so sure? You can also see and count. You have to count the jaw drops. Okay, you have to count how many times my jaw drops. Himani. While I say Himani, my jaw drops 3 times. Okay, it means the word Himani has 3 syllables. Okay, so the syllables decide where to put ER and EST and where to put more and most. Okay, so whenever there will be one syllable, okay, it means you have to add, what you have to add? ER and EST to make the adjectives comparative and superlative. But when there will be more than one syllable in a word, so that in that case we will add more and most before the adjectives. Okay, I hope this much is clear to you. Like this we identify how many syllables are there in a particular word. Okay, same with kind. Put your hand like this, kind. Okay, here my jaw dropped only once, so it has only one syllable. Okay, next, hot, one syllable because my jaw drops one time while I say hot. Next is beautiful. Beautiful. Here my jaw drops 3 times. Okay, when I say beautiful, my jaw drops 3 times. How many times? 3 times. So whenever our jaw drops more than one time, it means there we have to put more in comparative degree and most in superlative degree. I hope you all have understood how to change a positive degree into comparative and superlative degree. Okay, so as you all know, always there is the case of exception and grammar. Okay, grammar में हमेशा exception का case होता है. ठीक है, and I had given you example also of the exceptional case like good, better, best. Okay, G-O-O-D, good, better, B-E-T-T-E-R, better, best, little, L-I-T-T-L-E, little, less, L-E-S-S, less, least. Good, better, best means अच्छा, better means किसी और से अच्छा. We do comparison here. Best means सबसे अच्छा, सबसे superior बता रहे हैं. Little means थोड़ा, लेस मीन्स उससे भी कम, किसी पर्टिकुलर चीज से कम कंपैरिजन में यूज करते हैं. लीस्ट मीन्स सबसे कम. ठीक है, सब में से सबसे कम. ओके, सो लेट अस रिवाइज अगेन. काइंड, काइंडर, काइंडेस्ट. हॉट, हॉटर, हॉटेस्ट. ब्यूटीफुल, मोर ब्यूटीफुल, most beautiful. Okay, good, better, best, little, less, least. And I have also told you about the syllables. Okay, so how many times our jaw drops while saying a particular word? We exactly get to know that how many syllables the particular word has. Okay, like kind, kind. My jaw dropped once. So one syllable. Okay, and while saying beautiful, beautiful. So my jaw dropped thrice. So this word has 3 syllables. Okay, in brief we will discuss about the syllables in our upcoming videos. Okay, for now this much is sufficient for you all. Okay, so whenever there will be one syllable, we will convert positive into comparative and superlative by adding er and est. One more type is there, like lazy, L-A-Z-Y. So whenever there will be y at last in any adjective, so what we will do, we will remove y. Okay, L-A-Z. Okay, we will not write y. In the place of y, we will write I. Okay, to make it comparative and superlative. So what we will do here, we will remove y and we will make it comparative degree by adding I. Okay, in place of y, we will write I and then same er. Okay, lazier. Now next, L-A-Z, in place of y we will write I, then same est. E-S-T. Okay, lazy, lazier, laziest. Okay, the first kind of changing positive into comparative and superlative. Second kind where we write the last letter twice and do exactly what we do in the words where there is one syllable. Okay, now the third kind is whenever there will be more than one syllable, then we will add more and most before the adjectives to make them comparative and superlative. Now the next is exceptional case. Okay, and one more case is there. Whenever there will be y, we will remove y and we will make it comparative and superlative by adding I and then er and est. Dear children, I hope you all have understood how to change positive degree into comparative degree and superlative degree. Positive degree means, and you know that these are the adjectives. Okay, adjectives have degree of comparison. Okay, degrees of comparison. So positive degree we use to add something to the nouns. Okay, to give extra knowledge, additional information about the nouns. Comparative degree we use to compare two things or persons. Superlative degree we used to show the highest degree of quality. Okay, so how we change positive degree into comparative and superlative degree? As I told you, we check the syllables. Okay, safe, safe. How many times do you think my chain dropped? Yes, once. Okay, so here we will add S-A-F-E-R. Okay, so whenever our chain drops once while we say any word, it means we have to add ER in comparative degree and EST in superlative degree. Safer, safest, S-A-F-E-S-T. Okay, now the second word, again to the same, kind. Beta, you also have to do with me same, kind. See, this time also my jaw dropped once. Okay, so kinder, ER, okay, kindest. Now the next word, foolish. Do like this, foolish, okay. While you say foolish, your jaw drops twice, okay, not once. So what we will do, we will add more before the adjective. We will add more, okay, more foolish, okay. To make it comparative degree, we will add more, okay, before the adjective. And most, M-O-S-T, most foolish. To make it superlative degree, we will add most before the adjective. Now come to the fourth one, sad. Again do the same, sad. One time, okay, my jaw drops one time while I say sad. You can do the same, sad, okay. So what we will do, we will add ER and EST, okay, sad, S-A-D. But I have told you sometimes we write the last letter twice, okay. Here also we will write the last letter twice, sad, sadder, saddest, S-A-D-D-E-S-T, okay. We have added same ER and ST, but before that we have written the last letter twice, okay. Sad, sadder, saddest. Now easy, okay, easy, easy. So our jaw drops one time when we say easy. So what we will write, E-A-S. But I had given you example of lazy, okay. Wherever there will be Y, we have to replace Y with I. So I, then same, ER, ER, easier, easiest. So we have to replace Y with I, then EST, EST. Now come to the next one, bad. Again do the same, bad. So how many times do you think my jaw dropped? Bad, one time, okay. So but beta, I have told you the case of exception, okay. Exceptional case is always there, so don't get confused, okay. So bad, comparative degree is worse, W-O-R-S-E, worse, bad, worse, worst, W-O-R-S-T, worst, okay. Here we will not practice this exercise, okay, because this is the case of exception, okay. Wherever there will be the case of exception, we will change the word totally, okay. Next, boring. So again do same, boring. See, my jaw drops twice while I say boring. So we will add more and most, okay. More boring, more boring, B-O-R-I-N-G, boring. Now most boring, most boring, B-O-R-I-N-G, boring, most boring. Now the next one is late. Again you will do the same, late, okay. My jaw drops once when I say late, okay. So late, L-A-T-E. Now this I have not told you. Whenever there will be E at last, okay, whenever there will be E at last, we will not write E again, okay, we will just write R, okay, because E is already there, so we will write only R. So later, latest, L-A-T-E. Here also E is here, okay, E is here, so we will put only S-T. We will write only S-T, latest, okay. Late, later, latest. Next, important. Again, do that exercise. Important, okay. My jaw drops more than one time while I say important. So, here I will write more important, more important, important, more important and most most important, most important, important, okay, most important. Next and the last is new, okay, again do the same, new, okay. My jaw drops only once when I say new, okay. जब भी मैं new बोलती हूँ मेरा जो jaw है एक ही बार drop होता है. So what I'll do, N-E-W-E-R, okay, E-R, and here N-E-W-E-S-T, newest. Dear children, kindly open page number 40. We will discuss question 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay. Rest of the questions you will do by yourself. Okay. The first question is before solving any question you should write the caption first. Okay. Choose the correct comparative degree of the adjective for each sentence. So which degree we have to write here? Comparative degree. So these are the ways of converting positive into comparative degree. Okay, first we will see the syllable. Okay, the hair is dash than the mouse. More big or bigger? Here the positive degree is big. So do like this, big. Okay, so my jaw drops once while I say big. एक ही बार drop होती है तो ये क्या है? क्या इसमें put करेंगे? We will add ER and EST. So what we will write here? Bigger. Okay, and as I have told you, sometimes we write the last letter twice. Okay, so big, B-I-G-G, then ER. Next is my English teacher is dash than others. So see the examples. Okay, see the options. More intelligent or most intelligent? We have to write comparative degree. Whenever there will be comparative degree and the word is of more than one syllable, we will change it into comparative degree by adding more. Okay, so whenever there will be more than one syllable in any word, we will change that word into comparative degree by adding more before the word. Okay, so here it will be more intelligent. You can practice the exercise. Intelligent. Okay, my jaw drops more than one time. Okay, so next is the story is dash than the other one. As I have written here, boring, more boring, most boring. Comparative degree is more boring. Okay, next is he is dash than Rohit. So the positive degree is clever. So see, clever. My jaw drops once, only once when I say clever. You can practice it again. Clever. Okay, so here we will put ER. Okay, whenever there will be one syllable, okay, we will change the adjective into comparative by adding ER. Okay, next is our manager can't come now. He will come dash, more late or later? We can do the same, late, one syllable. So we will write ER, okay, to make it comparative degree. Can you come dash, soon, more soon or sooner? Options are there, more soon or sooner. Let us practice. Soon. My jaw drops once when I say soon. Soon. Okay, so there will be ER. Okay, we will add ER. Sooner. You should be dash to your parents. Obedient. Obedient. Okay, so my jaw drops more than one time when I say obedient. So here I will write more before the adjective. So more obedient. The last question was dash than the first one. This you will do by yourself till 15. Okay, because if you don't do practice by yourself, you will not understand the concept. Okay, so that's all for today. I hope today's concept is clear to you all. Okay, if it is not clear, then please watch the video again. Okay, I know you all are watching the videos till the end. Okay, because it is very much necessary to watch the videos till the end so that no concept will be left. Okay, कुछ भी concept left नहीं होगा, छूटेगा नहीं आपका. ठीक है, and you can understand better when you see the videos till the end. Okay, so whatever work you are doing in your book, that you have to do with care. Okay, if you face any problem, then you can contact me. Okay, I am available between 8 a.m. to 2 p.m. for you all. Okay, so you have to call me whenever you need help. You have to call me and ask. Okay, I hope you all are studying well. You all are very good children. You all are studying very well. Okay, that's all for today. We will meet in our next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.